Okay, class. Today this topic is about least common denominator. So if you remember how you learn about LCM, least common multiple, and so this is what it's about. We're going to find the LCM. Okay, so for this question, you have A and 2, right? So their LCM is what? It's A, because A can divide it by 2. So then some come here, type the answer. So the answer is 8. So now let's look at the second one. The second one is the same because we look at 12 and 4. 12 can divide by 4, so their LCM will be 12. The next one, 10 can divide by 2, right? So their LCM will, the least common denominator will be 10. So let's see the next one. So 12 and 6 will be 12 because 12 can divide by 6. So the next one is the same because 10 can divide by 5. So your thing will be 10. This one, I think we did it already. So it'll be 12. So now how about 6 and 8? So let's look at 6 and 8. For this one, 6 and 8. So we think about 6 and 8, we can divide it by what? Divide it by 2, right? So we have 3 and 4. So which means, so we can do 24 because 2 times 3 times 4. 2 times 3 is 8. 8 times 3, so it's 24. So therefore we can do 24. Now 7 and 6, there's no factor that we can take it out. Therefore, their least common denominator will be 42. Let's see, the 11 is the same. So 11, we don't count the factors, so we're going to do 88. Now for this one, so you think about 8, 12, and 4. Just going to erase this one. So you do 8, 12, and 4. You will take out all the 4s. Then you have 2, 3, and 1, right? So we can do 4 times 2 times 3. 4 times 2, or we can do 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 4, which is 24. So our answer is 24. Now the next one, 6 can divide by 3 and 2, so the answer will be 6. So now I want to see this one. So how about this one? How would you put it? So this is the one we put is, since it's 12, our denominator 12, so we're going to times 2. So it'll be 2 over 12. So, it should be 12 here, not here. So it's 2 over 12, and this one will be 5 over 12 because we didn't change the denominator. So for this one, you're going to do 2 times 4, which is 8, right? So we're going to do 8. So since you change the bottom to 8, so the top will be 4 because so that you match the original one. Now, for 6 and 9, so let's look at 6 and 9. So you have 6 and 9. So we can take 3 out, right? So it'll be 2 and 3. So which is 9 times 9 is, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So we're going to do 18. So 18 is 6 times 3 is 18. So here's 18. This will be 9 times 2 is 18. So it'll be 4 times 2 is 8. 9 times 2 is 18. For this one, since 10 can divide by 5, so we just put 10 on the bottom, here. And this one, 4 will becomes A because it's 5 times 2 is A, 5 times 2 is 10, right? So, had to be on the bottom, sorry. Okay, now this is the last question here. I'm going to show you. 12 and 8. So let's look at 12 and 8. What's 12 and 8 looks like? So what is the common denominator of 12 and 8? So 12 and 8 have in common is what? It's 4, right? So it's 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 2 is 8, right? So so it'll be 4 times 2, so it'll be 4 times 2 times 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So therefore, we're going to put 24. So think about this 24. This will be 22. This will be 24. Had to be on the bottom, sorry. And then 5, A. So think about A is what? A times 3 is 24. So we're going to do 5 times 3 is 15. A is 24. I hope this helps. Now it's your turn to go and practice.